There are 4 ways of exporting the data. First is the PDF. You can download the table you see, or a chart, or of course both. You can set the size of your export, if it's supposed to be portrait or landscape, and many more. But usually you rather want the data accessible than as a picture or a fixed table. You can download in Excel 2002 or 2007. Last one gives you more options and more space in terms of row and column quantity. Excel version 2002 is still listed because not everybody is able to work with the format XLSX. In the Excel file, the first row always displays the categories. It is worth not deleting it, because it will display the set filters used in Iris. Another option is exporting the data as an CSV file. This type has no formatting and has every row filled. It is really useful for creating pivot tables or to generate formulas or calculation in the file. Make sure to hide subtotals before exporting to avoid duplications.